Hi, my name is David. My job is to create projects that help kids grow as innovators. And I'm here today with your project challenge, Pop-Up Joke Card. Your goal is to create a one-of-a-kind pop-up card that tells a joke, and to be visionary by taking the time to imagine multiple ways a joke could be delivered using a pop-up. The materials you'll need are drawing tools, paper, a thin rubber band, tape, a pencil, scissors, and a ruler. There are a lot of ways to make pop-ups. I'm going to show you two that are particularly effective at popping off the page. The first one is the VFold. This is the one used in the Doritos card that you saw at the beginning. Start by getting a piece of paper and carefully folding it in half. Do that by aligning the edges before you crease the fold. Once you've done that, set the card aside. Next, grab a new sheet of paper and cut off a corner as shown. Then align the edges and fold this corner of paper in half. Then trim the top just to make it even. So this is our VFold. You can place it inside the card, and it only works if it's aligned with the crease in the card. So the crease in the VFold and the crease in the card need to be aligned in order for the VFold to work. To attach the VFold to the card, take a piece of tape and stick it on both edges of the VFold, and fold it back. Once you have tape on both edges of the VFold, you can realign the VFold with the card crease. And notice that the closer the two VFold edges are together, the more the VFold will stand up when the card is open. The farther apart the VFold is spread, the flatter it lies on the page. Press down the edges of the VFold so that it stays put, and then close the card and press again. Looking down behind the VFold, we can see those pieces of tape holding the VFold onto the card. Once you see your VFold in action, you may decide that you want it to stand up higher, or be flatter, or be somewhere farther up or down on the page. Just peel the tape off and reposition it. Not only can you attach more than one VFold on the center line of the card, you can also attach VFolds to the side of an existing VFold. This allows for an even more dramatic opening of the card and provides more surfaces to attach things inside the card. The next type of pop-up we'll look at is the Springloaded Hinge, which was used in the Launch Time card. You may not have seen the Springloaded Hinge before, but it's just a stick of paper attached to the card with a hinge and a rubber band attached to the back of the stick that pulls it up when the card is opened. To create the Spring-Loaded Hinge, the first step is to create the stick. Do that by cutting out a rectangle or square of paper that's around 5 inches wide and around 5 inches long. It doesn't matter exactly. We want the stick to be at least 1 inch wide. So when you fold the paper, fold it in 1 inch increments and fold it 3 to 5 times, 5 if your paper is thinner. Trim the ends of the stick to make them even, and put a piece of tape on the stick to hold it all together. Next, open up the card and put the stick inside the card and figure out where the hinge needs to be so the stick is inside the card while it's closed. Once you've figured out where you want the stick to be, take a piece of tape and make a hinge between the piece of tape and the card. This single piece of tape isn't nearly strong enough to be our hinge. So next, flip the stick over and repeat the same taping on the other side of the stick to the card. Next, to secure these two pieces of hinge tape to the card, lay a piece of tape across each of these pieces of tape to hold them down. Then to secure the hinge pieces of tape to the stick, wrap a piece of tape around the base of the stick. Press all the tape down and then test your hinge. Make sure it works. If anything's peeling away, add more tape or press it down more firmly. Next, cut your thin rubber band to make it into a stretchy string, and then tape the rubber band to about the middle of the stick. The next step is to calibrate how much you want your stick to spring up when the card opens. There's no right answer here. It'll depend on what you make and attach to your stick. I want this one to open up most of the way when the card opens, so I'm pulling the rubber band back further. Once I've decided how far I need the rubber band to go, I'm going to mark that spot and flip the card over and then tape the rubber band to the back of the card. Then flip the card back over and test the stick to see if it's springing up in the way that you had hoped. Mine's not springing up quite as high as I wanted it to, so I'm gonna pull the rubber band back just a tiny bit further and test again. Okay, I can see it's working the way I want it to now, and I'm gonna add a little bit more tape to the back to make sure the rubber band doesn't go anywhere. Now try folding the stick inside the card and opening and closing it to make sure the stick pops up each time you open the card. Now that you've seen two potential ways to make pop-ups, it's time to find a joke. And the cornier the better, so a good place to start is YouTube dad jokes. Once you have a joke in mind, this is when you can choose to be visionary by taking time to consider all the pop-up techniques we looked at and how you could add elements from your joke onto those pop-ups. As you already know, I was a fan of the launch time joke, so the element that I chose to put inside my card was a rocket ship. You might also notice that I used white paper for the stick instead of a brightly colored paper for this final design. I wanted the rocket to kind of pop on the page, so using the same colored paper for the stick as the background of your card helps your element inside the card pop. I applied the same idea with the V-folds in my Doritos card. I also decided to put the text answer of the joke under the rocket ship to help with the reveal of the joke. Lastly, you can add an element to the outside of the card that's on theme, like Saturn for the launch time card. That's it for this challenge. If you made a pop-up card, we would love to see a photo or video of it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, so Jamie, I just need to test out some jokes for the video.
Okay.
I want to make sure they're funny.
Okay.
Why did the salad go to the studio?
I don't know why.
To get some beats.
Medium funny.
I was trying to figure out how lightning works. Then it struck me.
It's really good.
What do you call a pile of cats?
What?
A meownton.